This is gonna be a fun night, New Year's Eve, 2021. Happy New Year! Wow. Boy, this ought to go viral. This should go viral.
Oh, have mercy.
Don't wreck. Wonder if Elijah should follow you into Target. I mean, the dog place.
Oh, I hope it's gone by then. Oh, man.
Man.
Woo. Oh, I hope that's it. Oh, I hope that's it.
Alright. Don't waste your film. Oh, still going.
Oh, man. Oh, boy, that hurt. Good grief.
I wonder if these people can hear us beside us.
I'm glad they can't.
They can, for all you know.
They probably see the head and go, what in the world is going on there? Oh, my stomach. Oh, my stomach. Oh.
Oh, man.
Good grief. Oh, man.
Kind of reminds me of Fluffy. Mid-meow. Yeah.
Goodness.
This is gonna go viral.
Beautiful sunrise.
Yep.
Sunsets. You know what I mean. And no, I haven't had anything to drink.
Gosh.
Good grief. Oh.
Keep it in the road, man.
Goodness.
Chick-fil-A's closed. Goodness.
Ooh. Oh, man. Oh, I hope that's it. Oh, I hope that's it. Whew. Oh.
Just relax.
Relax. Breathe. Oh, I hope.
Okay, you can probably save film now, Elijah.
I hope that's it.
Yeah, that's probably a good take. Anyway.